How to ghost your location on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. And here you need to scroll down to the privacy control section, and from there click on see my location. As you can see here, you will find the option of ghost mode, and it has a toggle next to it, and it tells you that when enabled, your friends can't see your location and your ghost trial is cleared. So click on that toggle to enable ghost mode. And once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to enable ghost mode? And it tells you that your friends can't see your location while you're in ghost mode, and your ghost trial will be cleared. And it gives you some options, some periods that you can choose from. Select the period that suits you the best, in which the ghost mode will be automatically disabled. And as you can see, the ghost mode has been turned on and it's now activated. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on and enable the ghost mode for the Snapchat location. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.